Hey everyone, this is my Ford Ranger Storm Track, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how we can use the Magnum rooftop tent lift. It's for installing tents, removing, and also putting in storage. And today I'm going to take off the storage and put an insulation on the bed right here. The Magnum also can be used to store on the cab, and we'll do that in a different video. But I'll start with the cab first, or the truck bed first. Make sure I get enough space for the brackets of the rooftop tent to fit on the crossbars. So I'm all good there, and our unique U-base frame here allows us to get around this rear tire. Now that my brackets are aligned with the crossbars, I'm going to lower it onto the crossbars. Keep the safety straps on at all times. Once all 4 points are setting on the crossbars, it's nice and safe and secure. Now you can take off your safety straps. The tent's nice and securely on now, and now you're just going to follow the instructions on how to secure the brackets to the crossbars with the tent. And then I put this back in storage so it doesn't take up any room in the garage. Put it at its lowest point. Always secure your foot brakes when not in use. That's it.